So you are in the middle of composing some sweet chord progressions in E Phrygian, but you end up on a B diminished chord. Ouch! It doesn't really sound like modal music. But how can you fix this?
Show us.
First of all, if you're a beginner, try to avoid them as much as you can. And second, never solve your B diminished chord to a C major chord, as it kills the whole vibe of modally sound music. But then, how can you deal with this chord? I'll tell you 3 ways to slightly modify the chord so you can use it in your scores. The first one is an alteration of the root. To do this, lower the root note by 1 semitone, which will turn your chord from B diminished to B flat minor. Let's check another texture in the Dorian and see how we can handle the B diminished there.
Another one. Another one.
This time I will raise the F to an F sharp, creating a momentary B minor sound color. For the last example, instead of having the altering sounds, I will remove the F note from the B diminished chord to create an incomplete B diminished chord. The removing of the F creates a certain ambiguity for the color of this B diminished chord and makes it sound more smooth. And that was it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more videos about music production, composition, and tutorials. Till later, Humayun out.